Right, we're being asked to work out the following integral, the integral of 3x minus 4 times 2x plus 3 dx. So, the easiest way to do this is obviously to expand the brackets. And a good idea before you always integrate is to try and make the function something easy so you can integrate it. So, simplifying this before you're integrating. So, we've still got the integral sign. So, we're going to do 3x times 2x plus 3. And minus 4 times 2x plus 3 dx. Multiplying out, we're going to get 6x squared plus 9x minus 8x, and then minus 12 dx, and then we collect the two like terms together in the middle. And still haven't integrated, so it's still going to need the integral sign. So the integral of 6x squared plus x minus 12 is equal dx is equal minus 12 dx. Make sure that you have the integral sign and the dx. That's all part of the notation. Now the integral of ax to the n dx is ax to the n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c, provided n is not equal to minus 1. Because if it is equal to minus 1, we are dividing by 0. So integrating each bit separately. So it's 6x cubed over 3 plus x squared over 2, and then if you integrate a constant you get minus 12 times x plus c. 6 divided by 3 is 2x cubed, and this you can't simplify, so we just leave it as x squared over 2 minus 12x plus c is the final answer. So this has been a video to show you how to do an integration by expanding two brackets. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.